Let's make some scrunchies for gifts. They are so easy and so popular. So I have some scrap fabric here, but you can purchase fabric by the yard or you can purchase fat quarters. We'll be cutting the fabric 3 inches wide, the full width of the fabric. I'm going to be using my roller, but you can use a scissors to cut yours. I'll cut off the fold. There we go, look at all this fun scrunchy fabric. Again, they are about 3 inches wide and about 20 inches long. Fold it in half with right sides together, pin the edges together, fold the end back on one end of the tube. Then you're going to sew this long edge 1/4 inch from the edge with a straight stitch, back stitch at the beginning and the end. We're going to turn this inside out by using a pin to draw the fabric through the tube. It works slick as a whistle, as my mother used to say. Cut a piece of elastic about 8 inches long. Use the pin on the end of the elastic and we're going to pull it through the tube as well. I'm going to pin it so that it doesn't go all the way through the tube accidentally. And it's working its magic, it's already scrunching. Now I'm going to double that around and zigzag over this. Then I let the elastic slip back inside of the tube of fabric and I slip the unfinished edge inside the edge that we turned under 1/2 inch. And now I'm going to sew over this edge to finish it off. So I'm going to be sewing through all the layers of fabric and the elastic. I'm going to sew with a straight stitch. That is such an easy learn to sew sewing project. Ta-da! I'll have to model it on my wrist since I don't have long hair. The complete How to Make a Scrunchie tutorial and video can be found at welcometananas.com. Come join the fun!